The following video is a demonstration of the Fatal Vision Opioid Goggle Get It Together school activity. Use this activity to model the impairments of divided attention failure, nodding out, heaviness and lethargy, and impaired contrast sensitivity to demonstrate the impact of opioid abuse on a person's school life and responsibilities. Participants follow the simple activity instructions without the use of the Fatal Vision Opioid goggles. Time participants placing puzzle pieces on the mat. The goal is to cover the negative scene portrayed on the mat to a positive situation, as portrayed by the puzzle pieces. The purpose is to establish a baseline and demonstrate the participant's ability to solve a given task correctly and efficiently without the impact of impairment. The participant now uses the opioid goggle to perform the task 2 more times. First, using Mode A on the mobile app to demonstrate divided attention failure. The second time, using Mode B and the hand and wrist weights to demonstrate nodding out. As a result, the participant will struggle to complete the puzzle in the given time. This activity facilitates discussion with your participants about the negative impacts of opioid impairment on a person's life. These impacts can include lost connections with family and friends, diminished sports skills and missed opportunities, and a lost sense of self-identity and self-respect, as well as low energy levels and motivation. For more information, visit our website at fatalvision.com or call us at 800-272-5023.